brand new tire, by the way. Halfway into this, I realized that I probably do need to put the wheel speed sensor on because that extra space there, you won't be able to really torque it down, and this wheel's gonna move around. Looking back on this, it's probably laziness on my part, but it's not a hard thing to do. Literally just slide it in like that. For anybody says it, these call for 1 full turn, give or take. I had to loosen up those fork bolts temporarily. I forgot to torque this down.